Hi guys, so this is my good website, bad website, smackdown. For my good website, I picked CNN.com. CNN is a news website that is updated daily. It gives news updates for sports, the world, the US, entertainment, and even style. I consider this a good website because it has many reliable sources and cites everything that it posts. They have backup for every post, and you know what you see is real and genuine news. My bad website is TMZ.com. TMZ is also a news website that focuses more on famous people like singers and YouTubers and like Kanye West and Jeffree Star and stuff like that. But TMZ, I think, in my opinion, is considered a bad website because the news they post isn't always true. There have been a lot of instances where TMZ has posted false information about people and they have been caught for it. So let's go over to CNN.com. So here is CNN.com if you've never seen it, and at the top you can either do US, world, politics, business, opinion, health, entertainment, style, travel, sports, and videos. Pretty much anything that's going on in the news you can find right here. You can get what's trending, like an impeachment hearing, food stamps, Princess Anne, like a million different things. Any type of news, you could probably find it on CNN.com. They have videos, articles, in case you missed it. Here are different things at arts. There's a bunch of articles on, so you can click the article. Rare teenage sells for 4.4 auction. Really anything that you want, you will be able to say. Over to the bad website, we can go to TMZ. I think this is a bad website just because it, like, half the stuff is over dramatic and not really true at all. Like Michelle and Barack Obama were on the vineyard now, closing 11.5 million estate. How true is that? We don't really know. They don't really have a lot of sources and things to back them up on what they say, and a lot of stuff is just dramatic, really. It is. So this is TMZ. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.